All right. What are we making today, dear?
Beef curry.
Beef curry? Oh, masarap. There's some onion. What was that one? Ginger?
Ginger.
Oh, very nice. Coconut cream. Carrots. And potatoes?
Yeah.
All right. Very cool. So we're going to start off by sauteing the beef.
Yeah, I'm rendering the fat.
Rendering the fat. Looks good. All right. Yep, that's looking good. So are we ready to add something? What are we going to add first? The potatoes?
No.
Oh, the onions are first. Okay. Cebollas. You're the chef.
Yeah, chef are washing your hands.
Very nice.
And then I will add.
Okay, what are we going to do? Minced garlic. Okay.
Yes.
In addition to the other garlic we have. Okay, go ahead.
In addition to the onion.
Well, yeah, but you got, oh, that's ginger over there. I confused them. Okay, right. Okay, so minced garlic.
Yeah.
Cool.
Fresh garlic available, so that's the only thing.
Yeah.
Add this,
Yeah, and that's the ginger.
the ginger.
Ah,
A little bit
the
of
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
My mother would just say the W sauce.
Yeah, the W sauce.
So you lowered the temperature. Grabbing a plate
I put it in a bowl.
or a little bowl. Okay, all right. Good. That oil popping at you. A little bit more. Good.
I will add
You add in there? Oh, that's the curry powder?
Yeah.
I'm excited to see what it's going to be like.
paprika.
Okay. That's a good spice.
Tomato paste.
Sure enough. And I love the tomato paste in a tube. That's so easy. We're going to add carrots next? Or the potato?
Carrots and potato.
Both? Okay, there's your carrots.
It's a lot of carrots.
Yeah. And I'm handing her the potatoes. There we go. Okay.
I will strain.
Oh, okay. Go ahead and strain them. That's so cool. The color is really pretty.
Yeah, so that it has.
Sure enough. Absolutely.
You have to build up the flavor.
100%.
Looks like it's a lot of
Oh, I think it's going to be good. I think it's going to be good.
lots of vegetables.
Yeah. Hmm?
I will add the
Cream? Okay.
butter.
It definitely looks a lot creamier now.
Yeah. I need a lid.
Sure. Do you add that bouillon over there or not yet?
Oh yeah.
I see that you've got a bouillon out.
Yeah. I forgot about this.
Yeah, it's all right. I know things too sometimes. All right. Whoa. Yeah, it's boiling. I'll turn that heat down just a little bit. Yeah. Do some stirring. Might add a little bit of yogurt later if it seems like it's a little too thin. Yogurt will help thicken it up. You could add cornstarch too, but I really don't care for the cornstarch. Don't like the added flavor. It's not really like what I want. But the yogurt's not bad. That's got a good taste to it. Especially if it's the good Greek unsweetened yogurt.
I
All right. Oh, what do we got? What are we adding here? A little bit of coconut sugar?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
Just
a little bit, right? We don't want it too sweet, of course, but just a small amount.
Maybe
Yeah.
this one.
Uh-huh. I like that little spoon too. It's a cute little wood spoon.
Uh-huh.
Tiny wooden spoon. All right. Stir that in. And then we're just waiting until those veggies are tender. I think the carrots are still a little firm. We just checked them. So probably a couple more minutes.
Yeah.
All righty, we'll be back. All right, so we added some coriander. Just a pinch of that. That's what that is floating there. We just added it in. And now I think she's also going to go ahead and put in a little bit of that yogurt we were talking about. Thicken that up just a little bit. It won't look real thick after we add it. But after, oh, there's the yogurt. That's what we've got. But after this sets up, after you walk away for a few minutes, then it will thicken up a little bit. You'll see the effect. I'm just waiting for her to get it ready.
Yeah,
Here we go. Yep. Okay.
That's getting thicker.
Yeah. Yep. All right, and then we're okay. All right, here we go. And now we're adding that beef back in. We're just about done. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, and now we'll just let that sit a couple more minutes and
Yeah.
then it'll be done, right?
Yeah, maybe 2 minutes.
Very cool. All right. Thanks for cooking curry with us.